Hello kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kids Learning. Kids, in today's video, we are going to learn about the letter J. J. It's a capital J and it's a small j. Kids, do you know how J sound? J. J. Let's learn more words that start with letter J. For jelly. Jelly. J is for jelly. Joker. Joker. J is for joker. Jar. Jar. J is for jar. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. Jacket. Jacket. J is for jacket.
Thank you for watching. To watch more like this video, like, share, subscribe to my channel.